In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a fishing license in Alberta. So we're currently here at alberta.ca. So this page has everything you need for fishing licenses and rules. From here, you can use the search bar and type in fishing, hunting, and trapping regulations and just click the first result for you to be redirected to this page. This page has everything you need for fishing licenses and rules. On this page, you can also see the sport fishing section. And here you'll see all the details about fishing licenses, regulations, and how to get them. You can actually start getting your fishing license by visiting the albertarealm.com webpage. Now it depends on your region if it's available for you. Just a reminder that you need to have your wildlife identification number or WIN with you. But if you don't have one yet, you'll need to create, for it's all required for all the fishing licenses in Alberta. And once you have your WIN number, just follow all the on-screen prompts to select the type of fishing license you need. It could be resident or for non-resident or senior. You can also choose between annual or temporary options. Make sure that you review the fishing regulations for specific catch limits, seasons, and restricted areas. After that, make sure that you proceed to the payment and finalize your application. Once done, you'll receive your license right away. It could be a digital copy or you can also print it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!